bag from Strand. Okay. See. Yung product na Jones quality. Medyo naman ang quality niya. Hindi siya may damaging. Overall, maganda yung quality. Yung loob ng bag. Next, this one, $69. I get it for $48 from sale. It's nice for a beach. Ayan. Then, open. It's nice. Very cute. It's trending. Ganda siya.